This is the GeneralBot server GitHub page. GeneralBot is a package-based bot. In this video, we will see a specific type of GeneralBot package called gbdialog. A gbdialog contains several VBA files, Visual Basic for applications, that can be used to express bot logic. In this sample, we will start this conversation by requiring the user to enter some information to simulate a credit. So here in the first statement we will call here, so the bot waits for an input. If we put a number of payments that exceeds that one present in the code, this validation will run. Okay, let's increase the value to a greater value and wait the process of turning this VBA code into a code that the bot virtual machine can understand is run. Okay, now again, let's start the process by running the handler VBA, and can be changed to any question, any kind of text here. So now let's put the number again, and we can see that this validation has been succeeded. So let's put an amount here, and the code will handle all those informations to generate a new credit analysis. Okay, now the bot has enough information to run this kind of simulation here and output to the user. This is a sample code that can be changed to attend any kind of business demand. Together with another packages, these can be used to build bots and bring the value of a bot factory to the enterprise and to the personal world.